Alright guys, so today I'm trying to go from using signs in my real estate business that look like this to a sign that looks like this. I'm building this sign holder because I just got my brand new for sale, for rent, open house and everything else signs from the printer just yesterday. And the sign holders that I saw online, the style that I'm trying to build, were about $150 to $200 each if I ordered them. And I bought all the materials from Menards for $68 to build one that is of equal quality. So my goal is to build the mailbox style sign holder, I guess you could call it like that, that's going to hold just these 18 by 24 for sale and for rent signs. So the materials that I'm using today, like I said, it cost me $68 in materials, not including the signs themselves, of course, would be you'll see me using all this stuff, and let's go ahead and get to the build. Alright, so I need to fit this, which is double wide, into this slot, which is only single wide right now. So I need to take my power planer and plane out between here and here about, what is this? One of these is 3/4 wide, so I need to take off 3/8 from this and this inside. Alright, so I've settled on 2 permanent short spikes and then 1 removable long spike that is about, it's 30 inches long right now, but it'll be buried in the ground about, 24 inches or so, up until that blue line. That way I can pound this in the ground with a hammer and then pull the post off when I need to take it out and then just pull this out of the ground. And the 2 short spikes are there to keep the post from twisting and turning. Alright guys, so there's the final sign placed in the front yard of a home I just leased here in Columbus, Indiana. I'm happy with the results. I just hope the wind doesn't tear my sign off down there. I put in one more eye hook down there to keep it from blowing in the wind. But yep, that's the sign with the leased rider attached over the rent. All the other riders, like pending and everything else, will get clamped up here with those pinch clips. But yep, there's the final sign. I like the way it looks. Thank you very much for watching. Alright guys, and one more quick thing. You're probably wondering why I decided to put laminate 3 1x4s together with wood glue instead of just using a 4x4 post like this one over here for the mailbox. And my answer to that question is, well, if you look at this mailbox, you'll realize that it is all curled up like a U shape here. I installed it perfectly plumb and you know, in level, and then the post, as it dried out, curled up like this. So I had to push the mailbox, the top of the mailbox, back in order to keep the mailbox itself level, while the rest of the post is doing this. I didn't want that to happen to my realtor sign, and that's why I laminated 3 1x4s together with wood glue to hopefully prevent the warping from happening.